終於等到莫瓦娜翻咗嚟，慶典馬上開始，歡迎大家一齊參加，一起來慶祝吧 ！Come and celebrate with us！集合所有村民，今天馬上開始，莫瓦娜回來了。Call the feelings together. The time has come. Moana has returned. Let the celebration begin. 嚟啦，大家，我哋一齊拍手。Everyone, put your hands together. 歡迎各位 ，Welcome fellow voyagers！ 今日我哋所有村民都嚟到呢度啊，大家也聚首一堂，慶祝同埋歡迎遠道歸來嘅 Welcome home our very own Moana！歡迎你
Thank you and welcome to you all！ 歡迎大家，我哋想嚟同大家講下你嘅經驗旅程啊！
告訴我們你的所見所聞，
你見過啲乜嘢人？
去過什麼地方
I'd be happy to share my story。
咁就好啦，我哋仲邀請咗全部嘅村民幫手講故事，你哋都會幫手㗎，係咪啊？
你們也幫忙講故事，好不好？Thank you. It would be so great and so much fun if you would all join in. And now, let's begin. Actually, my story began 1,000 years ago with the demigod Maui. 1000年前半人半神嘅 Maui. Wait a minute, wait. Stop. This isn't Maui. Huh? He's way too small. Maui was big and strong and had these tattoos all over. 你講得啱，貓應該係好大隻，同埋全身都係紋身㗎。不過得佢一個先至可以扮演貓㗎。Oh, he's just pretending. Got it. Now where was I? Oh, right. Maui stole the heart of Tefiti. Maui 偷咗萬物之母 Tefiti 個心，就偷咗 Tefiti 嘅心。But others wanted the heart as well. 我係赤卡，係掌管土地同烈火嘅魔鬼，我都想要佢嘅心。
我好用鬥狠，仲識變做其他動物，然後甩身。
Maui was clever, a trickster, a shapeshifter who could change himself to escape. 識嘅係走唔甩嘅喎。甲蟲都唔得啫。咪就得啦。But that was long before I came along. 咁又係啊！嗰陣時你都未有耐出世。Grandma Tala, ever since I was a child, I followed the advice of my Grandma Tala. monsters to the sea.
冇還啊！聽媽媽講，跟住你自己個心，學我哋嘅祖先一樣，向住個大海進發啊！
I knew the sea was calling to me, asking me to return the heart and make Tafiti whole again. But how would I get there?
跟隨自己個心，冇還啊！個大海會引領你，將這邊自個心還返俾佢。
I'll do it. Even though I've never journeyed past the reef before, how hard could it be?
雖然你係未去過礁石外面，不過咁樣又會難得到你嘅咩？
After all, I am Moana, and so my journey began.
Moana 要出海啦，嚟啦大家，我哋一齊舉起雙手，好似咁樣，一齊舉手做海浪，一起舉手做海浪。Let's make ocean waves together. Come on！ 仲有海浪聲咧，喺個海浪聲。哇！冇錯啦，就係咁啦。
Hey Hey. Oh, you don't know what Hey Hey sounds like, do you? Can you help us? Can you make us sound like Hey Hey? He's a chicken. He clucks. Guys, I get you say hi, Timga. Come on, everyone. Very good. Now, you try. No! How did you get here? Never mind. It's too late now. Hey, hey! Get back here right now! Good. Now, which way should I go?
Moana 應該去邊一邊呢？你哋見唔見到貓而家神優啊？不如我哋幫下佢啊！佢應該去邊一邊呢
Should I go this way or that way? That way? Okay, thank you. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
就係咁，有大海嘅幫忙，Moana終於嚟到 Maui 嗰度咧。
Maui? Maui! Did you see him, Hey Hey? Oh.
我就係 Maui 壽司雞。
And I am Moana of Motunui. You will board my boat and restore the heart of Tefiti.
我點解要上呢隻船啊？
Because I am Moana of Motunui. You will board
得
my
啦
boat.
你啱咪講過咯，咪搞我。不過我需要你隻船啊，攞嚟。入去啦，多謝晒，再見啦，壽司雞。
Yeah. Oh. Ah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Ah. Ow. He took my boat!
嚟啊！大家，我哋一齊嚟做海浪。Let's make ocean waves
我唔會去㗎。
You have to.
嘿嘿。Good, Hey Hey. Oh, Hey Hey! You swallowed the heart.
你咪咁大上頭啦，知唔知其他妖怪都想搶到嗰個心㗎？我弊啦，係卡卡莫拉喺夜航海度啊！
Coconut pirates. They're kind of cute.
仲好狼死㗎！小心！哇！
Wait. Stop! Where are the drums? The Kakamora were banging on their drums, making so much noise.
咁我哋一齊嚟扮夜航海盜，一齊嚟卡啦！
Okay, let's try this again. From...
啊，仲好狼死㗎！小心！哇！
係而家啦，準備好未？兩隻手開！
Hey, hey! No! Maui! Hey, hey!
一齊嚟扮夜航海盜！
哇！我呀哈！呀！
Now, will you help me restore the heart of Tepiti?
我係唔會幫你㗎。
We make a pretty good team. And you'd be a hero.
我係英雄。
冇啊，男生制服貓咪，只要他願意幫忙，他就會是英雄。嚟啦，大家，我哋一齊嚟嗌貓咪個名啦！貓咪 ，Come on everyone！ 貓咪，貓咪，貓咪！
好啦！
You're so amazing.
不過首先我要揾翻個魔法神鈎先啊！
貓要先找回他的魔法神鈎。
We climbed a mountain.
我哋跳咗落個大路，
Wow.
就遇到好多怪獸啊！
And suddenly, we were surrounded by monsters.
嚟啦，大家，我哋一齊做怪獸樣，好似咁樣。Now show me your monster faces.
And there it was, atop a glittering mound of treasure, Maui's hook.
係我嘅神鈎啊！冇咗佢我就冇晒法力㗎啦。
That magic hook gave Maui his power.
大家嘅咧，你哋兩個咁似，台灣諗就啦！
我哋要盡快離開洞穴，啱未有更快跑咗。
Here, catch this.
我終於攞翻個魔法神鈎啦！
And now, to restore the heart of Tefiti.
得啦，我哋各行各路，再見。
But we have to restore the heart.
我走啦，係你話你有使命還翻個心，唔關我事㗎。
All right then, I'll go alone.
就係咁，個灣頭為咗自己一個繼續佢嘅危險旅程，佢去到赤飛樹嗰度，眼見嗰度已經成為一個可怕嘅火山島，而家佢要自己一個面對看守住呢個島嘅妖怪。
And I came face to face with a terrifying creature of earth fire guarded the island. Taka! You will not stop me! Maui, you came back!
朋友有難嘅時候，我唔會抌低佢。Now go！去啦，莫安娜，放翻個心入去啊！
Let her come to me! Taka transformed into her original self. Tefiti, giver of life.
踢卡終於回復翻佢本來嘅真正面貌，天地萬物之母 Tefiti。其實咧，細路女，你都做得唔錯，
I couldn't have done it without you.
好好照顧自己。Moto Nui 嘅莫安娜，
You too, Maui, the demigod.
後會有期。
See you out there, Maui.
我哋一齊再嚟嗌 Maui 個名啦 ！Maui Maui Maui Maui。 Welcome home， 歡迎你翻嚟啊，莫安娜。 多謝大家參加我哋嘅慶典，感謝你們參與我們的慶典。
This particular journey of mine has ended, but yours has only just begun. Farewell, fellow voyagers.
雖然莫安娜嘅旅程已經告一段落，但係你哋嘅旅程先至啱啱開始咋。你們的旅程才剛剛開始啊！再見啦，冒險家！再見啦，朋友！